What is up everyone, in this video we're gonna show you how to fix sound not working on Windows. So first, simply try checking your audio output. So click the speaker icon in the taskbar and make sure the correct playback device is selected. Next, you can also try restarting the Windows audio service. So to do this, simply press Windows plus R at the same time, then type services.msc. From here, you then have to find Windows Audio, then right-click it and select Restart. Now, if it's still silent, you can also try updating or installing your audio driver. So simply press Windows plus X at the same time, then Device Manager, then Sound, View and Game Controllers. From here, you can then right-click your device and choose Update Driver or Uninstall. Then restart your PC to reinstall the drivers again. So finally, you can also run the built-in audio troubleshooter by going to Settings, then System, then Troubleshoot, then Other Troubleshooters, then Plain Audio. And after these steps, your sound should work perfectly again. And that's it. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.